Good morning, everyone. So, today we have to start our fifth paragraph of Taro's Reward. We have seen in the previous story that Taro is a very thoughtful and obedient boy, and his old parents are very weak and he was very poor, but he wanted to give whatever his parents want. He wanted to fulfill their needs. One day his father wanted a cup of away, but he was so poor he cannot purchase that, as it was a very expensive drink in Japan. So he decided to work harder than ever. So next morning he gone to the forest to chop the wood and sell in the market so that he can earn more money. So he was doing work, but at the same time something happened. So let's see in fifth paragraph what happened. Then suddenly Taro stopped chopping. What was that sound he heard? Could it be possibly be rushing water? So as we have seen in fourth paragraph that after doing so much of work he was very thirsty, his lips were dried, so he wanted something to drink like cold water or something. So what happened? In the jungle he heard one sound and he was very amazed because earlier that sound was not there. So he said, could it possibly be rushing water? Because rushing water will make some sound, as we all know that when a river or waterfall or any stream also, we can see that rushing water will make some sound, so he can hear that sound. Taro could not remember ever seeing or hearing a rushing stream in that part of the forest, but earlier Taro had not seen any type of stream there, so he was very surprised. But he was very thirsty. So he was thirsty. The axe dropped out of his hands and he ran in the direction of the sound because he was thirsty. So he wanted the water. So he ran in the direction of the sound of water to drink some cold water. Because he was so thirsty, his axe also dropped from his hands and he wanted to drink water, so he ran in the direction of the water. But he had not heard any type of sound there in the jungle, as he was working earlier also, so he had not heard any sound. So this is the fifth paragraph. We will start now sixth.